June the 20th, and I am here at the trailhead of Mount Aeneas here in the Flathead Valley. This hike is only 3 miles to the summit. The elevation gain is 1,700 feet. I am taking the Noisy Notch trail number 8 this morning just because I've heard that there's a little bit less snowpack. On the drive up here, there were clouds covering all the summits. It's really cold this morning. So even looking up right now, I can see the cloud line. So I was hoping it was going to clear out just for the good view's sake. But let's see. About a quarter of a mile away from the main ridge that leads to Aeneas Peak, and I'm getting up into trees where ice crystals are all over the needles. It just shows you how cold it is right now. I just made it to the summit of Mount Aeneas. It took me about probably only an hour and a half to get up to 3 miles. It's a pretty self-explanatory trail. It's not super difficult. It's awesome though. The views are great. See the Mission Mountains down there, down south. There's Flathead Lake over there. So pretty sweet hike.